Since tomorrow is St. Patty's Day, I thought it would be fun to clean up this green handle, leprechaun-sized Vaco K-23 screw-holding screwdriver. I made a mange plow out of one of these wood craft sticks. I thought this seam was unseemly, so I deleted it with some 320 grit. Next, I went over the handle with superfine steel wool. Chuck and I polished the steel tube with his favorite stuff. We switched to the lower speed rechargeable Dremel and a new buffing wheel for the plastic. Luckily, Chuck had a St. Patty's Day party to go to, so I could use that other polish while he was away. Okay, remember what this little leprechaun-sized Vaco K-23 screw-holding screwdriver looked like in the beginning. And here it is now. Okay, for viewers who haven't seen one of these before, this is the quick wedge design. The screwdriver tip is actually made of two pieces. And when this tube is pushed forward, let's see if I can get you a good view of that. Those two pieces wedge together. I'm moving the tube forward. And the two-piece tip slides together. See that? And that'll wedge into the slot on a screw. So here's a slotted screw. And I bring this tube forward. It wedges those two pieces of the tip into the slot. And now it's locked in place. And then once you have the screw installed, if you pull back on the tube, it releases the screwdriver tip. So I've got the screw locked in place. It's not going anywhere. I can reach in and start to screw in the hole. And then I can release the screw like that. Pretty handy, huh? Back Into Service sent me this Vaco K-23 quick wedge style screw holding screwdriver. Make sure you check him out on Instagram. This was a fun project I think any leprechaun would be proud to own. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy St. Paddy's Day.